Hello everyone out there. Nice to have that you again. In today's future, we have this number 5040 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5040. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5040 by 2, which equals 2520. So 5040 divided by 2 equals 2520. Dividing 2520 by 2, which equals 1260. So 2520 divided by 2 equals 1260. Dividing 1260 by 2, which equals 630. So 1260 divided by 2 equals 630. Dividing 630 by 2, which equals 315. So 630 divided by 2 equals 315. Dividing 315 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 315 by 3, which equals 105. So 315 divided by 3 equals 105. Dividing 105 by 3, which equals 35. So 105 divided by 3 equals 35. Dividing 35 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 35 by 5, which equals 7. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 5, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5040 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 7, which can be written as 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2 times 5 times 7, and these were the whole prime factors for this number. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.